Hello, we are Team 9, which is made up of Francisco Manuel Castillos Bustos, Valeria Janet Reyes Aguilar, Ángela Giselle Segoviano Rodriguez, and Ariana Abigail Trevino de los Santos, and we will be presenting on the topic of transition elements. First of all, transition elements, also known as transition metals, are elements with partially filled d orbitals. The IUPAC defines them as those with a d subshell partially filled with electrons or those with the ability to form stable cations with an incomplete d orbital. Any element that corresponds to the d block of the modern periodic table, which includes groups 3 to 12, is considered a transition element. Now, place that is located on the periodic table. The transition elements are located in the center of the periodic table, between the metallic elements of groups 1A and 2A. Characteristics of the family. The characteristics of these elements are high melting and boiling points, high densities and hardness, formation of paramagnetic compounds, formations of colored ions compounds, ability to form stable complexes, just to mention a few. Physical and chemical properties. Physical properties: malleability, ductility, high tensile strength, metallic luster, good conductors of heat and electricity, high melting and boiling points. Chemical properties: they lose electrons to form cations. They oxidize in air when heated. They react with elemental halogens to form halides. They react with acids to produce salts and hydrogen gas, among others. This was it. Thank you for your time.
Interesting facts. The electron configuration of transition metals is special, as they can be found in numerous oxidation states. They can have different valence electrons, depending on their state. The transition elements are the largest group of elements in the periodic table, ranging groups 3 to 12. Many transition element compounds are brightly colored due to inner level d electron transitions.
The block of elements that we had to talk about is the block of transition elements, since they are in transition from being metals elements to non-metals. The model is of the element scandium. It has an atomic mass of 44 U and the atomic number is 21.
Which give us the number of electrons in the orbits and protons in the nucleus, which in turn, if we subtract them from the mass, gives the number of neutrons, in which case will be 23 in the nucleus. We can also observe, thanks to the Bohr model, that we use our model which has 4 orbits in which 21 are electrons distributed.